Organizing a successful summit is an ambitious endeavor that demands meticulous planning, unwavering commitment, and exceptional execution. The journey to achieve summit success can be broken down into several critical stages, each playing a pivotal role in the overall outcome. The preparation phase is crucial. It kicks off with identifying the summit's theme and objectives. This sets the tone for the entire event and guides all subsequent decisions. During this phase, the selection of a venue that can accommodate a large audience, usually in a prime location, is essential. Simultaneously, organizing committees are established to manage different aspects like speakers, logistics, and marketing. Engaging visuals of brainstorming sessions, site visits, and committee meetings illustrate the intensity and dedication involved. The opening ceremony is the summit's grand unveiling. It's where attendees first experience the summit's atmosphere, the buzz of anticipation palpable in the air. Captivating shots of attendees entering the venue, grabbing their badges, and networking can set an inspiring tone. The ceremony itself is marked by welcoming speeches from key organizers and special guests. This is often accompanied by lively performances or presentations that capture the audience's attention. One of the highlights of any summit is the keynote speeches. Well-known industry leaders or influential personalities deliver these talks, sharing insights, experiences, and inspiration. Visuals of speakers on stage, interspersed with attentive, engaged audiences, emphasize the significance of this phase. The content of a keynote can often resonate deeply with attendees, making it a memorable moment in the summit. Networking sessions provide valuable opportunities for attendees to connect, share ideas, and form collaborations. Shots of lively conversations, business card exchanges, and informal meet and greets highlight the summit's role as a networking hub. These sessions can foster partnerships that extend beyond the event itself, reflecting the summit's lasting impact. The closing event brings the summit to a powerful conclusion. It's a chance to reflect on the accomplishments, lessons, and connections made during the summit. Captivating closing remarks, award ceremonies, and a final celebratory gathering leave attendees with a sense of achievement and motivation. In summary, achieving summit success involves a seamless blend of preparation, engagement, inspiration, and reflection. Each moment, from the meticulous planning stages to the culmination of the closing event, contributes to an experience that resonates with attendees long after they leave. With stunning visuals capturing the essence of each stage and a motivational tone underscoring the narrative, the story of summit success is one of dedication, collaboration, and triumph.